This is Buy Me a Boat by Chris Janson. I ain't rich, but I damn sure wanna be. Working like a dog all day ain't working for me. I wish I had a rich uncle that kicked the bucket and that I was sitting on a pile like Warren Buffett. I know everybody says money can't buy happiness, but it can buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it. It could buy me a Yaman 10. I still some silver bullets. Yeah, I know what they say. Money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so. But it could buy me a boat. They call me redneck, white trash, and blue collar. But I could change all that if I had a couple $1,000,000. I keep hearing that money is for the root of all evil. You can't if it came through Avenue. And that's probably true, but it still sounds pretty cool. But baby, though. It could buy me a truck to pull it. It could buy me a 10 stone silver bullets. Yeah, I know what they say. Money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it could buy me a boat to float down the water with the beer. I hear a Powerball loud sitting at 100 mil. Will that probably be a brand new riding reel? It could buy me a boat. It could buy me a truck to pull it. It could buy me a 110 nice down silver bullets. Yeah, I know what they say. Money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it could buy me a boat. Yeah, I know what they say. Money can't buy everything. Well, maybe so, but it could buy me a boat. Yeah, it could buy me a boat. And that's all, folks.